If your PS5 is freezing, lagging, stuttering, or taking too long to load, try clearing the cache and rebuilding the database. First, completely turn off your PS5. Don't use rest mode. Now press and hold the power button again. Keep holding it until you hear the second beep, then release it. Connect your DualSense controller with a USB cable, then press the PS button. Next, select Clear Cache and Rebuild Database. Choose Clear System Software Cache, confirm it, and let the PS5 restart. If you're still having problems, add a safe mode, again using the same steps. Select Clear Cache and Rebuild Database, then choose Rebuild Database. Wait for the process to finish. Your PS5 may show a longer estimated time, but it can often finish much faster. And don't worry, clearing the cache or rebuilding the database does not delete your installed games or saved process. It mainly clears temporary data and reorganizes the console storage index. Bye bye.